Two stories land this week wey go make your jaw drop and your belle shake with laughter for the same time. One woman print her husband obituary collect 4 million naira condolence money while the man dey alive well for Italy. And Chike, yes, the same Chike wey allegedly knack Knackademus wife land Sierra Leone, and women dey shout our husband. Dis na Naija Gist Central and my name na Clara. Come make I give you the full gist. First story, and this one go make you question everything wey you know about Naija marriage. So this man bin dey live and dey work for Italy for years. Im dey hustle for abroad, dey send money home every month, finance construction of family house, pay school fees, support ex ten ded family members, the kind of husband wey every woman for Naija dey pray for. Husband material 1000 yards. And im wife back home nko? Neighbors and church members dey call her devoted, religious and supportive, the kind of woman wey dey go church every Sunday, dey tell everybody how she dey miss her husband. Meanwhile, behind closed doors, dis woman don already plan her husband funeral o. She print obituary poster with her husband face, name, date of death, everything. She begin dey mourn activities. She dey cry, wear black, dey receive condolence o, and donations come begin dey pour from church members, their relatives and sympathizers. Nearly 4 million naira in total. Burial contributions still dey enter. And then God show himself o. The man arrive Naija alive and healthy through Murtala Mohammed International Airport. Im dey drag 2 travelling bag and im waka enter im own compound wey im build. One elderly woman see am come scream. She think say she don see ghost o. Panic spread everywhere before people realize say the man dey alive true true. When the man find out say im wife print im obituary and say she collect 4 million naira, the matter escalate immediately into police case o. Many people wey im bin collect money from, dem come dey ask her make she give dem their money back. So wetin be dis woman plan exactly? To kill the man or to wait for am to die naturally? Na the police investigation na im go tell us more about dis matter o. But I want to ask you now, how many years of marriage before woman go reach dis kind level? Which kind frustration or greed go make person print her living husband obituary? Because dis one no be accident o. Dis one na premeditated wickedness in the highest order. Okay, so that one don give us shock and anger. Make we now cool down with the second story, because this one go make you laugh, shake your head for the same time. So our friend Chike, the singer wey allegedly dey see Knackademus wife Sandra behind the husband back, the same man wey internet crown boss of the bullets and boo of the bullets. Well, the internet don add new title to his collection, Knackademus. Hey, Chike arrive Sierra Leone for May for one scheduled performance, and the reception wey fans give am, e be like say na man wey win Nobel Peace Prize. Women dey scream, men dey cheer, everybody dey celebrate am. And for one video, one excited female fan shout out on top of her voice, our husband, and Chike just smile, dey hug everybody. Social media reactions don dey mixed o. One person write, they said his career would die, look at him getting deals. Another person write, the more they try to cancel him, the more bookings he gets. And wetin Chike himself talk about the whole Knackademus scandal? Just 2 words o, pity my soul. And one woman wey support Sandra write something wey dey very wise. She say, Chike, we women are very fickle. Those people singing your praises today will be the ones shouting crucify him just after a minor misstep. I hope you focus on what is most important and retrace your steps. Sleeping with another man's wife, regardless of whatever issues they were having, is never okay. That woman talk sense wey many people no wan hear o. My quick take for both stories today o. The Italy obituary wife, dis na beyond greed. Dis na spiritual level wickedness. Man live in country, risk im life abroad, dey send you money, build house for you, and you print im obituary when e still dey breathe. If police no deal with you, karma will. I pray say dat man go find peace and real love after dis time. Chike and the Knackademus title. Oh, I no know even wetin I go talk, or whether make I laugh or make I dey vex. Whether im do am or not, dis man don master the art of unbothered living. But the wise woman warning still stands o. Today's our husband fit become tomorrow's crucify him very fast o for inside dis our Naija. Which story shock you more today, the Obituary wife or Knackademus Chike? Drop your comments. I dey wait o. We pray. Well, if dis gist entertain you today, abeg, I dey beg una, like my video, share am for your WhatsApp and subscribe to Naija Gist Central for more entertainment story every week. God bless una and see una for my next video. Na me be Clara. It is sign out.